think you're in control? Think again. Every choice you make, from the apps you open to the products you buy, is being engineered. You are not the customer. You are the product. And the algorithm knows your next move 3 seconds before you even decide to make it.
Your phone isn't just a screen. It's a sophisticated laboratory. It tracks your micro-expressions, the tiny, involuntary muscle movements in your face. It uses libraries like OpenCV or FaceMesh to map your face in real time. It monitors your pupil dilation to see what makes your heart rate jump. This is called affective computing. It doesn't just see you, it profiles your personality better than your own therapist. But the surveillance doesn't stop at your face. Companies use predictive analytics models. They know your circadian rhythm through your sensor data, your movement, your heart rate, and sleep logs. They know that at 11 p.m., your willpower is at 0. They use programmatic advertising to bid for your attention exactly when you're most vulnerable. Looking deeper into the infrastructure behind the screen, it's not just about ads, it's about data exhaust. Every interaction you have creates a trail of metadata, location history, device orientation, typing speed, and even the pressure you apply to your touchscreen.
These massive datasets are ingested into graph databases. Think of it as a spider web where your identity is the center. They correlate your social media activity with your physical movements in the real world and your credit card transactions with the videos you watch at 2 a.m. The machine builds a probabilistic model of your future. It doesn't just guess what you want, it calculates the exact stimuli required to force a decision. They are effectively reverse engineering human decision-making, turning your free will into a predictable metric. To ensure you stay trapped, they use the variable reward schedule, the same psychological trick used in Las Vegas slot machines. Apps like TikTok and Instagram use neuroadaptive algorithms that analyze the millisecond you stop scrolling, feeding you just enough dopamine to keep you in a state of perpetual digital hunger. You can't uninstall the future, but you can disrupt the pattern. Step 1. Break the dopamine cycle. Stop the unconscious scrolling. When you feel the urge to click, just pause. Step 2. Feed the algorithm noise. Go to your Google ad settings or Facebook ad preferences and start clicking on ads for things you absolutely hate. Construction equipment, obscure hobbies, or random products you'd never buy. You'll poison their dataset and make their AI profile of you useless. Be unpredictable. The algorithm wins only if it knows you. If you are predictable, you are a target. If you are unpredictable, you are free. Now, tell me in the comments, what is the strangest thing that showed up in your ads that made you suspect your phone is actually spying on you?